Welcome back, guys. It's Chris. We're going to do something a little different today. We are going to review my favorite 3 videos on YouTube today. They happen to be in the automotive community. We got Adam LZ, WhistlinDiesel, and then TommyFYeah. So let's see if we can grab a little bit from each one, maybe get through the whole thing. Here we go.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. It's not that early. It should have been early.
Adam LZ picked up his third
mystery ghost in the house.
yellow
FD
RX-7.
Sorry, Vargas brothers. So the Vargas brothers are in town. Unfortunately, they're not hanging out for a while. Bummed about that. I wish we could have done some cool stuff together. But they are dropping off my third, or I should say now second, CYM FD because I sold the rotary one. I haven't told you guys much about this car. You haven't seen it. I think I've told you that it's right-hand drive, but I was able to swindle them into bringing it down to me, and there's kind of a little bit more of a backstory, but we'll get into that in a minute. I've never seen this car in person. I only half know what to expect. My friend Brett up north went and looked at it for me. He picked it up. He brought it. Stonebeck had it at his shop for me, storing it, and I almost forgot about it for a little bit because I was so overwhelmed with all the stuff here, and now that we're almost to the finishing point with our 34 project, I'm excited to start looking at it, start ordering parts, and figuring out this next build.
With the way his RX-7s are, this thing's going to be amazing when it's finished.
This thing is so much cleaner than I expected. You can't really tell these cars by photos how nice they are on the inside. I'm unbelievably pumped, and I can't wait to show you guys more and tell you guys more. It is really nice.
The third one he's had to get.
Definitely needs a wash.
The right one. And that's a rare car, rare color too. Got a little white Supra sitting in the background. Mike, his cameraman, does great work.
Officially my third and hopefully my last CYM FD. Welcome. This thing is for sure the cleanest of the 3 that I've had. To give you a little bit of backstory with this car, I don't know if I mentioned, I ended up purchasing it from someone through Facebook, and then my friend Brett went to check it out, and then it was stored at Stonebeck's, and Vargas brothers picked it up from Stonebeck's, brought it down here. Mega thank you to them. I'm super appreciative of them, and maybe we'll do some cool stuff with them in the future for this car. But anyway, so walking around, the car is immaculate body condition. There's 0 dents, 0 scratches. Unfortunately, I will tell you the absolute worst thing first.
I tell you, he is one of the most underrated YouTubers. Think what's he have? 3 million subscribers. Wow, he broke 3 million. But his personality, just how he's come all the way from here, and his collection is second to none. You got to check this guy out, Adam LZ, if you haven't checked him out yet. Subscribe to his channel. You won't be disappointed. Nearly daily content. I think it's daily if I'm not correct. And, you know, some of the cars he has, mostly JDM, but they're all well worth watching the builds.
The car has been repainted. When you look up close, the same flaw that every single CYM car has, when people repaint them, they cheap out, they don't want to pay for the pearl, and then it's CYM with no pearl, which sucks. But it's a clean body car. I wanted right-hand drive, and it only has 44,000 confirmed kilometers. And when you look through this car, you'll see amazing. It is bone stock, unmolested.
44,000 kilometers, that's like 25,000
I'm in love. This is exactly what I wanted. All the pieces are there. It's not missing anything. We'll do a quick walk around. Original wheels. It looks like original brakes. Unfortunately, I think it is going to need some bushings. It does feel a little bit clunky. I was hoping to avoid that, but honestly, with what we're going to be doing to it, it's going to need bushings. So, look. It's even got the stock exhaust. So, we'll walk around here, give you a quick preview of the interior. I would rate this one probably at like an 8 out of 10.
Just a story time. I used to sell cars about 5 years ago. One of these came in the dealership. It was a green one. Awesome car, low mileage, one owner, owned by an old guy. and it was right around when I picked up my first 2011 WRX. Right after I purchased a WRX, and this thing came in, it was like 16 grand. Would have been a perfect deal. Took it around the block. It was an amazing car. It wasn't right-hand drive, but they are for sure sweet cars. I would love to get my hands on them one day, just if I knew someone who was, or if I knew enough to work on them, it'd be awesome.
My LSFD has more like a 9 out of 10 because the LSFD, the seats aren't really faded or anything. When you look in the back, the right-hand drive ones actually have a rear seat, which is kind of cool. I don't know if I like that or the Delete more, but everything's in really good shape. Cluster is beautiful. There's like a little bit of wear on this, but some of these pieces you can still get new, so that's cool. We'll pop the hood. I'm trying to think about anything else. Honestly, like, I'm seeing a lot of stuff the first time as you guys are. You can kind of see the difference in the color here, the pearl versus not the pearl.
It's very hard to tell.
Yeah, that's the reason why I won't sleep at night.
Well, guys, we're not going to watch that whole video. I don't want to spoil it for you. So we're going to switch to the next video here, which is WhistlinDiesel. He's at 1.96 million subscribers. I started watching him probably about a year and a half ago. He had 300,000 subscribers. It was with the death cart. You know, and I was hooked. This guy's videos are awesome. He's an awesome person. So let's go ahead. Let's see this razor on the Weeper Wheels. I haven't seen this yet, so this will be awesome.
To AEP Ohio? Well, if you have one of these on the side of your house.
I missed the trampoline, God. This trampoline is supposed to be over here.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's gonna fall on my. Welcome to America. Welcome to America Industries.
He is. Look at that stuff. Straight spikes.
In the middle. Yes. Safety training day is my favorite because we get to do all the fun stuff that most training centers don't do.
I tell you, subscribe to WhistlinDiesel. You will not be
they're
bored.
coming through really good. It's really good.
Some people don't like him, but I promise you, if you watch his videos,
thanks for tuning in today. But
and
first,
get used to him, you will love the kid.
Scrotum. That's right. The Minnesota DNR hates you. That's right. They don't want to see you have a good time. Minnesota is a place of many lakes and wonderful natural resources for your enjoyment. So feel free to come on out and get your trucks and house burned down and impounded and never have a good time again. See, I'm going to throw in a video now of something that happened at C-Boys TV. They were out enjoying their time outdoors just like you and I. They came out to have a good time, but no, Officer Jacob wouldn't have it.
Today we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 and the MacBook Pro. The Surface comes with a pen and it is touchscreen. Mac gave me this little bar, but why can't they just give me a whole touchscreen?
You guys up to today?
Little ice drifting.
Something that you might consider carelessly driving a vehicle on the ice.
The way I looked at this was like more of a closed track, so
Yeah.
Can't ignore it, so I'll issue you a citation for careless operation. It's the general driving.
Another awesome thing with him, he films
Now,
all
I've
his
actually got
videos
a bunch of
on an
emails.
iPhone.
This isn't an uncommon occurrence, okay? I've got a bunch of emails and DMs of similar situations. 100% of all merch sales on my website today, all that money is going to go to help the innocent families and victims and children that the Minnesota DNR has tortured over the years. Enjoy the video.
I told you it'd be fine. Goes right into
His
the
camera
garage.
guy.
Oh!
Like,
No, I pushed the trailer pretty good.
Rotate. Someone spilled their ice and it's still ice.
I wouldn't be shocked if he has a TV show soon.
No, I came back to break another one.
How's it going?
I'm gonna skip forward a bit
We
so
came
I
here
don't
about
watch
6
the whole
months
video.
ago,
You guys can go watch
and
it.
it was cold.
Let's just
back
go
then in
find
the
where
summer.
he's on the Reaper wheel.
So we
Reaper
came here
wheels.
now.
There he is. Just the brand new Razor. Purchased brand new.
Hey. We're out here on
There we
Frozen
go.
Lake in Bemidji, Minnesota.
Oh no. This is gonna be gnarly.
One of the biggest challenges we have as parents is
Well,
finding
think
an
I gotta
outlet
get
or
YouTube
something that your
Premium.
kids enjoy doing with.
So funny how it always works. That's on a lake too. Alright, don't want to ruin the rest of this one. Go check out WhistlinDiesel. Razor on Reaper wheels digs up Frozen Lake. That's a great video. I want to go to... This guy is extremely underrated. The way this guy builds cars is just amazing. His name's TommyFYeah. They just got this. I think it's R32.
Good morning. Behind the camera, even though I just showed it, is the GTST Back from Austin's and looking pure fire. I'm super excited because this was the last piece of the puzzle to make the GTST perfect in my opinion. So here it is.
Gotta subscribe to his channel. He
It's
only
like
has
tin foil,
211
you know what I'm saying?
subscribers. 211,000,
So-
I'm sorry.
It's assembly day. We have new zinc plated subframe pieces and
So clean.
we got new everything. That's all I'll say. We're gonna spin this thing around. We also line next the wheel wells like we always do. And I love that. Protects them, makes them look brand new. This thing came out sick. Put in the comments what you think. And we also put the bolts in so that those are painted because that always drives me nuts when they're not. So we left those in. I'm just gonna take this in because outside I was snow blind and couldn't see what the thing looked like, and it looks so good. It needs a bath. Josh towed it here, and
He's up in Connecticut, so they got a ton of snow right now. This guy, again, JDM cars, but he goes for a modified stock look. You know, the cars are mostly stock, but great parts on them. What's he call it? Stock Plus or something like that. We'll watch the video. He'll talk about it. Modified Plus. The videos are all... I mean, the cars are all on the 85, 400, 500, 600 horsepower. Super clean builds. Just check them out. TommyFYeah.
it got covered in salt and shit. But we've got to reattach side skirts, the fenders. We got to put the engine in, which is convenient.
OEM Plus is what he calls it. OEM Plus the best upgrades.
Placed right here. And I think we should have this thing pretty close back together today. So let's get to it. Alrighty, here's our layout. So we've got a new windshield cowl, new brake master, new Nismo N1/GTST lines, Nismo engine mounts, and Terra Firma's coming out with these nice little bags that I got to shout out to Terra Firma. These are for the fenders, and he puts like a diagram, show you where everything goes. This is new cowl hardware. We've got a couple other things that we'll show through.
So he'll put this video back together, put this car back together, all in this video. It's 25 minutes long. Longer form content, we'll click to about, let's go 10 minutes and 30 seconds, see where they're at.
Damn it, this thing fucked it.
Oh, sick.
I got my bachelor's in cybersecurity from WGU. I got several certifications included in the...
So HK...
Huge HKS collection, vintage parts collections. He has like 3 Evos over in the UK waiting to be imported. You just got to keep up on his channel. Some of the cleanest cars, cleanest old JDM cars you can find.
This is now offering their oil in the good old United States. And I'm going to have more cans. This one got dented. Damn it. He's got super oil for RB.
Oh, yeah.
How sick is that? 0W25. This one dented. Dale dented.
Drink a little bit
dented.
of it.
Who the fuck is Dale dented? This one's not dented. We should give the dented one away. Anyone wants a dented one, we'll figure out something you can do for it. And we got our other V-bands. This is my boy here. You could actually just leave everything right outside. So favorite part is in.
Look how clean
the
that
radiator and shroud. It really completes
Amazing.
the look of the front end. Take a look at it. Oh my gosh. So I put the strut tower in very temporarily. I didn't even put all the hardware in because I want to get it zinced. I ended up polishing these and then just spraying that with the ceramic black. But I have a whole of the strut tower bars worth of hardware that's going to go out and get zinced. And this isn't the final engine cover. We have a surprise for the final engine cover, but this is the old one. Figured we put it back on for now to get the real view. This engine bay looks insane. Insane. And it looks stock. That's the coolest part for me.
It looks stock, and that car is 400, 500 horsepower.
Looks like Nissan was like, yeah, we put RB25 Neos in 1992 GTST 4-doors, and they make 493 horsepower.
No.
How's not we do it, Nissan?
You fucked this up.
How?
There's like shit all over it.
So I put that in the drill and tried to polish it.
They
It's
do a
still
great
hot.
bit of comedy mixed in too.
It's warm through my gloves.
It's warm, dude. And it's got compound on it, but it kind of polished up nice. This is actually a cool step to take before it goes to zinc because it will look that much better when it's zinced. First, if you just leave it all crushed.
Here we are.
That's fine.
You guys can go watch the full video, like I said, but check this out. He's gonna go over probably one last time. Next video will be probably driving it and riding in the car.
From Franklin University. Graduation isn't the end.
Ooh, oh, never mind. Ooh.
Never mind.
All right, let's mount it.
Hitch.
Before us, fuck. Jesus Christ. All right. I can't even focus. So, this thing is done-ish. We're waiting for the horns to dry, so Josh put the grill, but I just wanted to show this and end this. We don't have the suspension in. That will be done, but we put the BCs back in for now because I'm going to wait until I have all the suspension. I'm doing all Nismo arms, front and rear.
As you guys see, he's awesome. He's funny. So, well guys, that's it for today. I'm going to try one of these videos out. I got all the systems working and stuff. I might need to improve some stuff. I'll be interested to see how this turns out. But let me know what you think. I'm going to put the links to all 3 of these videos down in the comments below, so you can go check them out. But you won't be disappointed if you like automotive YouTubing to watch these channels. They do daily content uploads. They are all fire. Perfect builds. So yeah, take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching.